Go. Oh my God. Dear Lord of Sheep, this is a humongous cow.
And on his farm he had a cow. With a here and a there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
That cow is huge, guys. It's like so big. You guys saw it. But seriously, in real life. Guys, you really okay? Go. They might spit, Isaiah. Excuse me. Products from a goat. No. Hi, little goatee. Right? It's gonna spit right here.
And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old
I don't see
MacDonald had a
any
farm.
sheep over here. Oh, look, there's sheep right there.
And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there,
Let's look at the chicken.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
1 second, and there's all the chicken.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here,
Whoa, look at that.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Gotta go back there. So YouTube, please subscribe, leave a like, and turn on those notifications so you guys know when we post a new video. We hope you enjoyed Animal Life on the Farm. Peace out. Peace, my boy.